Carmi?
Good morning. What's the name of the vlog? Little G of Vegas.
Shout out to Mars. Carmina, wait.
Hey Carmi, how are you?
Calbe.
Oh. Mars Calve.
Kumusta lahat kayo dyan sa Pinas, all over the world, sa mga kababayan namin in the Philippines, in the US, in the US, where else kuya? In UK, in Europe, all over the world.
And Hong Kong.
Wow! This is Kuya Bernie here, my tropa. And then Panda, come here. This is your favorite. This is Panda. Today is Sunday, guys.
What the heck?
Today is Sunday, so it's gonna be a fun day. But today it's still quiet, so we're still chilling. But later on, we're gonna be busy. I hope everybody is fine back home in the Philippines. What else, Kuya? You want to say something? Shout out to your who?
Shout out to my beloved brother and sister.
Wow!
And also my special one.
Whoa! What? Special
You know
one.
who? I don't know.
I don't even know. Shout out to the pares.
So ganito lang kami. Happy lang. Chill
Chill
lang.
out.
Ayan sila oh. Sila oh, yan siya. Yan si Panda. That's Panda right there. Yeah. Today is Sunday what fun? Sunday what?
10.
10? August 10, Sunday fun day. Yeah. Shout out din pala sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro, my kababayans in there. People of the Philippines, I miss my country. I miss you all, guys, my friends back home.
Oh, shout out to my cousin, birthday, Alain Felix from Ligan City.
Wow! Can you promote my vlog to like and subscribe?
I will promote the vlog of Jigs. Right?
Y'all better like, subscribe.
Anong mga natin ngayon dyan, mga ganap natin dyan in the Philippines? I hope you guys are enjoying your night. I think you guys are all sleeping now. Today is broad daylight here in
That's right.
Las Vegas. No, this is not live. This is just a vlog, kuya.
Damn.
And then what else? So hanggang mamaya pa kami dito, guys. Siguro what time are you getting off, kuya?
I'm getting off 3 o'clock.
Kuya Brini get off at 3 o'clock. Me and Panda get off at 1 p.m. Hopefully, but I'm not sure. No.
We got
Today,
right now.
no, today is Sunday, so we might get off at around 2:30-ish something. And then shout out to what? To all.
I gotta shout out.
What is
Shout out to Jonah, Char,
Yeah.
Mars. And my phone number is 702. You know what up?
Really?
By the way, ano pa bang mga sasabihin natin? Wala ganito lang kami. Nag-aantay lang kami ng customer. So ngayon, empty pa yung store namin. Ayan oh. Ayan, empty pa ang lobby. Ayan sila oh, ang gaganda nila. Hey, what up? So ayun, nag-aantay pa lang kami ng customer, but like I said, later on we're gonna be busy. We're gonna be what else? What Pam? We're gonna be rocking the day. And then what else, man? What else can you say, man? Come on, say something. This is your chance to shine, man.
Kamusta ka?
Kuya, do you still have more shout out? Except from your beloved in
Shout out to your
Hong
mom.
Kong.
Yeah.
Um,
My beloved in Hong Kong. Hong Kong. In Disneyland and Central Hong Kong.
Shit.
Shout out to Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Ooh.
Do you have
Lanka.
someone at the dating site or something? Oh, come on, man. Ano pa ba?
Is that live?
No, this is not live. We should do live next time, huh?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, promise guys, next time on my vlog, we're gonna do live so that way you guys can see how it is.
Oh.
But right now, what else? Like, normally Sunday is a busy day, but like I said, later on we're gonna be busy. We're gonna be slam, and this lady here, oh, not the lady. She's a man.
Macho man.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, this is my role model.
Yeah. Well, guys.
Macho man.
What the?
But trust me, she used to be so pretty. Pretty little girl.
Pretty.
But now,
Handsome.
but now she's handsome. But alam nyo na yun, she's happy of who she is right now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And I hope you guys are all very well down there in the Philippines, especially in Cagayan de Oro, my family and friends. And then you guys want to say something before we go?
Shout out to my sister from Isabela, Santiago.
What else?
Shout out to my sister also in Marikina.
Hi there.
Dindin.
Dindin
Bambo.
what?
Bambo.
Dindin Bambo, Ate Dindin.
Hi.
And then Kanda, what else?
Shout out to Sam Milby. What's the other one?
Sam Milby, what?
Pakit Paba. Who's the other one?
What?
Actress. And
What?
and Curtis.
And Curtis. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe there, everyone. Like and subscribe. This is Little J in Vegas again, creating memories with you guys. Bye! Happy Sunday!
Bye!
Happy Sunday! Bye! Bye! Peace, love!
I think we have a lot to say.